سلام جميعا. بدنا نعمل هلا كوركشن لسامبل تيست 2. هيدا هو سامبل تيست 2 كنا بعتناه من قبل. في طبعا 3 exercises، واحد statistics 2، واحد counting، والاخير هو function. رح نبلش اول شي بالاكسرسايز نمبر 1 اللي هو statistics 2. the annual profit in millions Lebanese lira of money exchange agency صراف starting from the year 2011 is shown in the following table. Year 2011, rank of the year, profit in millions Lebanese lira. طبعا 20 ولأن in millions it means 20 millions Lebanese lira. Okay, وكل year instead of using 2011 we can use 11. 2012 you can use 2. 2013 you use 3 instead. Part 1A, determine the center of gravity A. G, the center of gravity G admits and persists X bar, ordinate Y bar. X bar has a formula summation of Xi over the total. We don't have to write the formula. We just have to enter the data using calculator. Mode 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the X's. نرجع على الأول. the values of y are 20, 25, 30, 37, 40. AC. To determine the coordinates of x bar, shift 1, 4, and it's 2 equal x bar equal 3. Y bar for the same. Shift 1, 4. 5 equal it's 30.4. So G admits an abscissa 3 and an ordinate 30.4. Part B, construct the scatter plot associated to the distribution. We have firstly to draw an orthogonal system. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. We started as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First box is going to be 20 till 40. I'm going to use X box as 5. 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. 1 has an ordinate 20, 2, 25, 3, 30, 4, 37, 5 is 40. This is the scatter plot. As the same, we have to plot G3 30.4. This is the G. Write an equation of the line of regression dy at x. dy at x. This is the part 2. Has an equation y equal ax plus b. You have to write y equal. If you didn't write y equal, they are not giving to it. They give you any point on this part. It's an equation of a straight line. Reduced equation, it should be in the form y equal ax plus b. A equal capital B and B equal capital A. Using the calculator, we don't have to write the formula. Shift, that's why AC shift 1, 5 and B is 2. So it's 5.2 and AC shift 1, 5, A is 1, so it's 14.8. So the equation of the line of regression y equal 5.2x plus 14.8. This is the equation of the line of regression. Okay. And draw this line in a rectangular system. To draw this line we need 2 points. The first point is for sure should be G, and the other point, for example, if x equal 1, you just replace x by 1. 5.2 plus 14.8, 1920. 120. This is the point 120. You add this point. You join this point to G. وصل هيدي البوينت مع الجي وبيطلع معنا سكاتر بلوت، بيطلع معنا line of regression dy at x. Part 3. Suppose that the above pattern remains valid till the year 2022. يعني نحن بنفترض انه رح يضلوا هيدا الباترن for the same conditions till the year 2022. Part A. How much the profit that this agency is expected to achieve in 2021? 2014 4, 2015 5, 2016 6, 2018 8. 2021 X is going to be 21. So no, X is going to be 11. Sorry. X is going to be 11. 2011 1, 2012 2, 2013 3, 2014 4, 2015 5. Blah 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 till 2021 is going X to be is going to be 11. You just replace X by 11. 5.2 into 11 plus 14.8. 5.2 times 14.8. 5 times 11 plus 14.8, and the answer is 72. So in 2007, in 2021, the profit, an estimation of the profit will be, according to the pattern, equal 72 million لبنانيز ليرة. مثل ما قلنا كل answer لازم نجيبه باليونت تاعه. آخر part نضطر نحي هون نقدر نحلها. After how many years would the profit of this agency exceed 100 million? When Y exceed 100 million, 100, you don't use, you should divide it by 1 million because you are substituting. So Y is greater than 100, you should use the equation of the line of regression. 5.2x plus 14.8 is greater than 100. So 5.2 is greater than 100 minus 14.8. 5.2x is greater than 100 minus 14.8 is 85.2. So x is greater than 85.2 divided by 5.2. So so x is greater than 16.38. لكن after 17 years x is greater than 16.38. After 16 you have 17. So after 17 years, the question is after which year, so you have to determine the year. So you started in 2011 and after 17 years it's going to be 2027. The profit of this agency will exceed 100 million Lebanese lira. وهيك بكون خلص exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is about counting. The 40 students of grade 12 of a certain school are distributed as follows. And is a table that we have the distribution of students, boys and girls in ES section, LS section and GS section. The total is 40 students. Number of students in ES are 15, in LS are 14 and GS are 11. While we have in this school 8 plus 6, 24 boys and 16 girls. Total هو 40. Part 1. 3 students are selected successively without replacement. Successively without replacement, it means we are going to use arrangement. It's AP out of n has a formula n factorial over n minus p factorial, but you don't have to use the formula. You can find the answer using calculator. So part 1a, determine the number of possible cases. Number of possible cases equal, I'm selecting 3 students out of 40, A3 out of 40. I can find the answer using calculator. 40 shift times 3, 40p3, and the answer is 59,280. Part B, determine the number of possible cases that contains students of the same gender or of the same sex. Students of the same gender, لكن same gender, it means 3 boys or 3 girls. So number of cases in this situation equal 3 boys, A3 out of the boys 24, or is a plus 3 girls, A3 out of 16. I can put the formula as it is on calculator. 24 shift times 3. طبعا ال A الارينجمنت هي P على الكالكوليتر لأنه بالأمريكان سيستم بيستعملوا P as a permutation يعني. Shift times 3, and the answer is 15,504. Part C, determine the number of cases that contain series of different sections. So we have 1 student in AS section, 1 student in LS, and 1 student in GS. Number of cases equal 1 student in AS, A1 out of 15, and 1 student in LS, A1 out of 14. It's an AND, so you just replace AND by times. And 1 student GS is A1 out of 11. But who told you that it's in the form ES LS GS? Maybe it's LS ES GS, maybe GS. يعني مين قالنا انه اول student هو ES؟ يمكن يكون LS، يمكن يكون GS. طبعا بتفرق لانه نحن بالسكسسفلي عنا order. to know the number of cases عنا 3 letters we have to multiply by 3 factorial. امتى نضرب بفactorial؟ لما يكون عندي successively with or without replacement، ما في فرق. لما يكون عندي different cases طبعا بعملهم على الكالكوليتر. $13,860. اللي عنده مشكل في يكتبها مثل ما هي 15 P1 times 14 P1 times 11 P1 times 6 factorial is shift x power minus 1. 16 P1, 15 times 14 P1 times 11 P1. okay, it's 16,000 no 160 1,600,000 خليني بس محي هاي. لا أكيد في شي غلط. 15 P1 times 14 P1 times 11 P1 times not 6 factorial 3 factorial. يا الله it's 13,860. فكرت أعمل حالي عمل غلط calculation. Part D, determine the number of cases that contain students of the same section of different section. Part E, D, determine the number of cases that contain students of the same section. Same section, it means 3ES or 3LS or 3GS. يعني number of cases equal A3 out of 15 or A plus A3 out of 14 or 3GS A3 out of 11. في داعي نعمل فاكتوريال هون؟ لا، لأنه 3ES يعني E ما في فرق بيناتهم. طلع الجواب على الكالكوليتر. Part E, determine the number of cases that contains exactly 1 student ES. Exactly 1 ES. يعني number of cases عندي 1 ES واثنين are not ES. The cases are 1 ES and 2 not ES. لكن number of cases equal 1 ES out of the ES in 15 and how did both two are not ES not ES إن هو الاثنين يلي هن 25 14 plus 11 طبعا في حدا يجي يقول ES LS GS ES LS LS ES GS GS بس بكون عم بكتر حاله حالات بس كمان هون عنا different letters في إيبار يكون أول شي مش تاني شي ولا آخر شي يمكن يكون الإي آخر واحد فأنا نعرف عدد الحالات عنا 3 letters يعني نضرب ب 3 factorial بس الإي بتتكرر مرتين we have to divide by 2 factorial وبنعملها على الكالكوليتر وبنجيب الأنسر أكيد. Part F determine the number of cases that contains at least one student ES at least one student ES هذا معناته إنه 1 ES و 2 are not ES or 2 ES و 1 not ES or 3 ES at least one student ES بالقليل واحد ES يعني أو واحد أو اثنين أو ثلاثة إذا one student ES في two other students that they are not ES ما بيكون عم بيسحب بس واحد هو دايما عم بيسحب ثلاثة يعني بيختار ثلاثة ف number of cases in this situation equal one student ES A1 out of 15 two students not ES A2 out of 25 we have to multiply it by 3 factorial over 2 factorial plus or plus 2 student ES A2 out of 15 was 1 student not ES A1 out of 25 times 3 factorial over 2 factorial finally 3 ES A3 out of 15 طبعا هيدي at least one student ES and another way of solution هي equal total all the possible cases minus number of cases that do not contain ES ما في محل اكتبها بحس هيدي اسهل على التفكير الطالب. هلا حنعمل part 2 يلي هي 3 students are selected successively with replacement بس بدي اتاكد انه فيها بس ABCD معقوله اوكي 3 students are selected successively with replacement يعني with repetition هنمحي هون همحي بس هودي أنا بعتقد نفس ال questions The 3 students are selected successively with replacement هيدي P list and number of cases عادة equal n to the power P. Okay, when you select P out of n with repetition, number of cases equal n to the power P. Determine the number of possible cases. I'm selecting 3 students out of 40, so number of possible cases equal 40 power 3. طلع الجواب أكيد على الكالكوليتر 40 to the power 3. طلع معي الجواب 64,000. Part B, determine the number of cases that contain students of the same gender. It means 3 boys or 3 girls. 3 boys, I'm selecting 3 out of 24, so it's 24 power 3, or is a plus. 3 girls, 3 out of 16 is 16 power 3. I can find the answer using the calculator. Part C, determine the number of cases that contains students of different sections. يعني 1 ES, 1 LS, 1 GS. 1 ES is out of 15, so if 15 power 1, and is times 1 LS is 14 power 1, and 1 GS is 11 power 1. But we have 3 different letters successively. We have to multiply by 3 factorial. I can find the answer using calculator. Part D, determine the number of cases that contain students of the same section, 3S or 3LS or 3GS. 3LS out of 15 is 15 power 3 or 14 power 3 or 11 power 3, and we can find the answers using calculator. هيك بكون خلص exercise number 2. بنروح على number 3 يلي هو function exponential function. طبعا عم نركز على exponential function لأنه في part من اللوغاريتم ملغية و anyway بالsample test الجديد أكيد راح يكون في small questions about x logarithm function. لكن هيدي أول part. We have the function f of x equal x plus 2 exponential of e minus x, and the domain of definition is minus infinity plus infinity. And see its representative curve. Part 1 calculate limit as x tends plus infinity of f of x, limit as x tends plus infinity of f of x. You just replace x by plus infinity plus 2 plus infinity e power minus infinity 0 plus infinity times 0 if. We said before, and we have 4 different forms in if: infinity over infinity, 0 over 0. For those two forms we use operator rule. 0 times infinity we use expand, we have to expand usually, and plus infinity minus infinity we have to yes, 0 times infinity we have to expand, and plus infinity minus infinity we have to factorize. So here we have infinity times 0 we have to expand. Again, limit as x tends plus infinity لل f of x equal limit as x tends plus infinity xe minus x plus 2e minus x. Xe minus x is a rule in the chapter. It's 0 at plus infinity. 2e power minus infinity also is 0, so the answer is 0. So y equals 0 horizontal asymptote. في another method الصبايا معلمين عليها معودين عليها من الصف. Limit as x tends plus infinity. فينا ناخد ال e minus x to the denominator بتصير x. We'll obtain infinity over infinity if, so we can use operator rule. Limit على plus infinity 1 over ex. 1 over plus infinity is 0, so y equals 0 at شيء. فينا نستعمل هاي الميثود أو هاي الميثود. Part 2 calculate limit as x tends minus infinity of f of x. We just replace x by minus infinity. Minus infinity plus 2 is minus infinity. Exponential of minus infinity is exponential of plus infinity plus infinity. Minus infinity times plus infinity is minus infinity. طبعا لما يكون في بيناتهم times هيدا منه if. لما يكون في بيناتهم addition بيكون if. Part 3 calculate f prime of x. f of x is the form u dot v. u هي it's equal u prime v plus v prime u. u is x plus 2, u prime is 1, v is e minus x, v prime is minus e minus x. So f prime of x equal u prime v 1 e minus x plus v prime u minus e minus x into x plus 2. Usually I take, not usually, always in exponential function when it's possible, I take e power minus x as a common factor. I will obtain 1 plus minus is a minus. Minus times x is minus x, minus times 2 is minus 2, so it's e minus x to minus x minus 1. And we have to set up the stable of variation, so we have to study the sign of f prime. As e power minus x is always positive, so f prime takes the same sign as minus x minus 1. Minus x minus 1 خط الطول خط العرض. x vary from minus infinity till plus infinity. f prime minus x minus 1 admits minus 1 as a root, and the minus 1 root. Before the root opposite sign of a, and after the root of before the root opposite sign as a is a plus, and after the root same sign, and the coefficient of x هو minus 1, فقبله opposite بعده same. So f is increasing, decreasing. At minus infinity the limit is minus infinity, at plus infinity is 0. We obtain a horizontal asymptote. F of minus 1 equal minus 1 plus 2 1 equal e. So this is the table of variation. Part 4, find the equation of the tangent to C. At x equals 0, so the tangent is y equal f prime of 0 into x minus 0 plus f of 0, with f prime of 0, I just replace x by 0 in f prime, the answer will be minus 1. F of 0, I just replace x by 0 in f, the answer is 2. So y equal minus 1 times x is x plus f of 0 2. And the equation of the tangent. Part 5, calculate f of minus 3 and f of minus 2. We just replace x by minus 3 in f. مود 1 في أعملها بطريقة تانية، بروح مود على التيبل 7، بعمل انتر للفانكشن x plus 2 e minus x، وانا بدي التيبل في minus 3 و minus 2، فبلش على minus 2 بخلص على minus 3 وستep هي 1 سوري equal ببلش على minus 3 وبعمل end على minus 2 اكيد لأن minus 3 اصغر، فعلى minus 3 بيطلع minus 20.08 وعلى minus 2 بيطلع 0. فينا نعملها مش تيبل، انا عملتها تيبل بس انه هيك زيادة معلومات، في اعمل بس replace. اخر شي part 6 draw T and C. لأرسم T and C اول شي لازم محي، بدي اخلي التيبل اوف فاريشن لانه هو من خلاله يعني بقدر ارسم. فاول شي برسم orthonormal system، بعدين asymptotes عندي y equal 0 horizontal asymptote هيدا هو. particular points عندي البوينت minus 1 e minus 1 2.718 هيدا maximum، بنرسم له هول 2 arrows معناته انه هون في horizontal tangent. وعندي البوينتس f of minus 3 minus 20 كتير صعب ارسمها، f of minus 2 0. اوكي according to the table of variation لما الاكس على minus infinity الكيرف على minus infinity والaxis minus infinity كيرف على minus infinity تحت، شو بدي يعمل؟ بدي يطلع increasing passing through. لا صعب شوي الرسم على التاتش بس راح احاول the best thing I can. بيطلع increasing على الماكسيموم بيطلع increasing هون على الماكسيموم، هون horizontal tangent، بينزل decreasing، بروح بقرب على اللاين y equal 0 horizontal asymptote. برجع بقول الرسم على التاتش شوي صعب، فمشان هيك في شوية حرقة. هيك نكون خلصنا part A اللي هي variation و curve، بضل عنا part B اللي هي economic. طبعا نحن عملناها شوي دسمة كبيرة يعني، بس انه anyway انه بس لحتى نمرق على كتير افكار بحيلا part بنحلها، مش شرط يجي هالقد كبير بالامتحان رسمي، بس انه عم نقول انه بس لحتى نقدر نعمل براكتس على شوية افكار. ما حمحي كل شي لأنه أكيد ممكن اضطر احتاج. أنا عم بعمل الإكسرسايز بشكل إنه إذا حتى لو كنا راسمين الكيرف غلط فحمح الكيرف، عم يرجع يعطينا الكيرف بشكل محدود بس لحتى نقدر اذا كنا راسمين الكيرف صح غلط نقدر نكفي الاكسرسايز بشكل ما يأثر علينا البارت اي كتير. معنى the factory produces toys, the demand function in hundreds of toys is very important. The demand in 100 is expressed by demand of x equal x plus 2 e minus x, where x is the unit price of each toy in thousands Lebanese lira. X in thousands Lebanese lira كمان is very important, and x between 0 and 6. Part 1, calculate the demand for a unit price of 3000 Lebanese lira. Price equal 3000 Lebanese lira, so x equal 3. So you have to calculate d of 3 equal 3 plus 2 exponential of minus 3 على الكالكوليتر 5 exponential of minus 3 بيطلع الانسر 0.248. ولأنه 0.24 خلينا لو هو لأنه demand in hundreds of toys لكن demand in this case equal 24 toys لأنه هو in 100 each answer should be multiplied by its unit. هلا في شغلة نحن عملناها بالسامبل انه تيست انه ما حددنا to the nearest 10 power minus 2 لأنه بالofficial exam ما عم بتكون، وهيدا شيء طبعا خلل بس للأسف. Find the elasticity of the demand. Elasticity of the demand equal minus x times d prime of x over d of x. إذا لاحظتوا d هي زيتا f of x، فهي minus x times f prime. f prime طلعت معنا e minus x into minus x minus 1 over d of x is x plus 2 e minus x. We can simplify by e minus x equal minus x times minus x x square minus x times minus 1 plus x over x plus 2, and this is e of x. Part 3, calculate e of 3. You just replace x by 3, 3 square plus a 3 over 3 plus 2. The answer is 9, 12 over 5. 12 over 5 is 2.4. Okay. Give an economical interpretation of and interpret economically the result obtained. Give an economical interpretation. هون ما عم بيسألك إذا elastic or inelastic. يعني كتير ناس مثلا بالفاينل بيكتبوا لي elastic، هداك جواب على بيقلك is the demand elastic or inelastic. Economical interpretation للإلاستيسيتي هي if the price increases by 1% of the unit price. عنا هون 3 يعني 3000 Lebanese lira. The demand decreases by الانسر طلع 2.4 يعني by 2.4%. وهيدي الايكونوميكال انتربريتيشن ثابتة هيك مثل ما هي، ما بينفع ينقصها كلمة أو نمبر أو نغير برقم. ما فينا، ما في حدا يقول لي أنا غلطت محل انكريزز حطيت ديكريزز هون، ما بتزبط، ما بمشي الحال. اوكي هيك بنكون خلصنا بارت 1 و 2 و 3. بنروح على البارت 4 يلي بتحكي عن الديماند والسبلاي. هنقصها ونلزقها هونيك. Part for the following curve, in the following figure we have the representation of two curves, the demand function d of x and the supply function s of x. بس خليني أغير شغلة. الكيرف عنا الديماند فانكشن والسبلاي فانكشن. طبعا الديماند هو الديكريزنج والسبلاي هو الانكريزنج. أكيد لأنه كل ما زاد السعر الديماند بقل، وكل ما السبلاي ممكن يكتر. The two curves intersect at the point A as shown in the following figure. Interpret economically the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A اللي هو at x equal 0.68. we have demand equal supply. لما demand equal supply بكون عنا market equilibrium. هيدا الفاليو يلي هو المفروض نضربه ب thousands، لكن 680 لبنانيز ليرة is the equilibrium price، بيكون هو سعر التوازن بالسوق. بينما الاوردينيت اللي هو 1.35 المفروض نضربها ب 100، يعني 135 toy is the equilibrium quantity. قلنا دايما لما بيلتقى الديماند مع السبلاي بيكون عنا market equilibrium. الابسيسة للبوينت اوف انترسكشن مضروبة باليونت تاعولها هي الايكوليبريم برايس، والاوردينيت هي equilibrium quantity. Part B, given that s of x equal ax plus be power x, and the curves and the tangent to its curve at the point O 0, 0 is given by t equal y equal x, show that a equal 1 and b equal to 0. أول شي الكيرف pass the demand by the point 0, 0, it means s of 0 equal 0. You just replace x by 0 equal 0 بيطلع معك إنه b equal 0. And tangent has an equation y equal x، لكن slope of the tangent equal the coefficient of x in this case هو 1. slope of the tangent هو مين؟ f prime of x equal 1 or f prime of a. So f prime of 0 sorry لأنه tangent at x equal 0. So we have to find f prime. أول شي هات لنعمل f prime هون، هي in the form of u dot v equal u prime v. طبعا ال b صارت 0 يعني ax u dot v u prime v plus v prime u. So f prime of 0 a exponential of 0 plus exponential of 0 into 0 equal 1. So a equal 1. هيك بنكون لقينا ال a وال b وبكون خلص السامبل تيست. شكرا للمتابعة، يعطيكم ألف عافية.